Did you know the amazing health benefits of mint green tea? This refreshing beverage, beloved by many, is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's known to enhance digestion, provide stress relief, and boost energy levels. But that's not all. Mint green tea is also a delight to the senses with its vibrant color, enticing aroma, and invigorating taste. So, how can you infuse the goodness of mint into your daily cup of green tea? Let me guide you through a few simple and refreshing recipes. First off, we have the classic hot mint green tea. To start, you need a handful of fresh mint leaves and 1 green tea bag. Boil the mint leaves in water for about 5 minutes, add the green tea bag, and let it steep for another 2 to 3 minutes. Strain it, and there you have it. A warm, soothing cup of mint green tea. Next up, for those scorching summer days, a cold mint green tea lemonade. Brew your green tea as usual, then let it cool. In a separate pitcher, muddle a handful of mint leaves, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and your chilled green tea. Serve it over ice for a refreshing twist on a summer classic. And for those adventurous ones out there, why not try a mint green tea smoothie? Blend a cup of spinach, half a cucumber, a handful of mint leaves, a green tea bag, and a cup of almond milk. This smoothie is not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients. So there you have it. 3 different ways to enjoy mint green tea. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, as a traditional tea or a creative smoothie, mint green tea is versatile, refreshing, and healthy. Remember, this invigorating beverage can enhance digestion, provide stress relief, and boost energy levels. So next time you're in the mood for a cup of tea, why not try mint green tea? You might just find your new favorite beverage. Cheers to health and refreshment.